The temp.
Yeah, the air quality alert, that's where we're going to be in that orange category for today as well. So if you're sensitive to that, as Dia just mentioned, just keep that in mind as we do have that alert still in effect for today. Things will get a little bit better for us heading into tomorrow. We'll have that front working its way in a little bit later today, and that will touch off maybe a few isolated showers and storms and eventually some cooler temperatures out there as well with better rain chances. Taking you out to DFW right now. 80 degrees out there, so still going to be warm. Not as muggy, though, for us this morning, so that's not going to feel quite as heavy. The air won't when you step out the door this morning, but still very warm. Louisville at 77, along with Frisco this morning, 74. Heading on out to Lancaster and DeSoto here early this morning. Now, those dew point temperatures this morning are going to be in the lower 60s, getting over to Fort Worth and Dallas. So you see it's not quite as humid, especially farther west. Now, where you're going to feel it, though, is in our eastern, northeastern counties. Look at those dew points, Clarksville and Paris in the mid-70s. So, yeah, it's pretty muggy in those locations. But for the most part, we're going to be in that getting sticky to very sticky category. But a little farther east, it does get a little bit uncomfortable heading out the door this morning. Now, those temperatures will still climb into the triple digits or close to it in many locations. Upper 90s to around 101 to 102, coming back over to Dallas and Fort Worth later today, maybe up as hot as 103. And the actual temperature is going to be pretty close to what the heat index will be in most locations. The exception will be farther east for today, again, where we do still have that heat advisory in effect, including the Metroplex and areas farther east through 8 p.m. here this evening. So it's still going to be hot, humid, but there will be some isolated showers and thunderstorms right along that frontal boundary that's kind of easing over the Red River late this afternoon. No widespread severe weather is anticipated, but some strong winds can't be ruled out with some of those stronger thunderstorms, so something to keep in mind as we head on into this evening. Now, the better chances will arrive with the thunderstorm activity as we head into tomorrow. There's the front off to our north and west now, but as that front continues to work its way over the Red River late today, heading on into tomorrow, that will provide the focus for those isolated showers and storms across the area. So we'll have some cooler temperatures as well with those winds coming around out of the north and northeast behind the front. So we're going to be on the cooler side of things as we get into Friday afternoon, heading on into Saturday. As that front stalls, we'll keep the scattered thunderstorms kind of hanging around through Saturday and maybe on into Sunday, although I do think they do taper off. The storms do for the most part on Sunday, but then Sunday night going into Monday, we'll have to watch for a cluster of storms working its way in from the north and west heading into the overnight hours and early on Monday. But for the next 5 days, we're looking at about a 20% coverage today, 30% chance for the showers and thunderstorms Friday and Saturday, less so on Sunday. But then Sunday night going into Monday, we'll have that chance for some rain and storms, and the temperatures, they do come down as well. So one more day with triple digit heat, then we'll be in the mid 90s tomorrow, low 90s on Saturday and Sunday, and then we'll have some rain chances lingering into the first part of Monday. Beyond that, the summer heat is back with those highs climbing into the upper 90s.